Hello students, how are you? I expect from each and everyone that each and everyone must be feeling better and finer. So students, I am going to speak a few lines in front of you. These lines will be much more beneficial for you. There are many of you always think that they should speak English fluently. They want to speak, they try, but they are unable to speak fluently. They feel a lot of hesitation and fear in their mind and in their heart as well. So guys, never ever be afraid of speaking. Whatever you know, speak in front of anyone. The language doesn't need a lot of grammar. It should be spoken in the way that the next person who is standing in front of you should understand what you are speaking to him, what you want to speak to him. If you think that each and every line must be used with the help of grammar, you will feel a lot of hesitation. You can never ever speak. But when you speak without any hesitation, whatever you know, whatever you have knowledge, there will be time after a few months or years, you will understand each and every line very perfectly and you can make your grammar stronger and stronger. Guys, without grammar, any language can't be perfect. Any language can't be so correct without the use of grammar. But we think that at the beginning we should use grammar and we should speak very perfectly. It will not be possible. Whatever you know, how you know, you should speak in front of anyone. First, remove your hesitation, remove your doubts, and you must be able to speak. So guys, I would like to advise you, I am going to speak some special sentences for you. These sentences are always used in our daily life. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, हम चलें, लेट्स गो. हम पढ़ें, लेट्स रीड. अब हम चलें, लेट्स गो नाउ. अब हम समोसे खाने चलें, लेट्स गो टू ईट रिसोल्स नाउ. अब हम पकौड़े खाने चलें, लेट्स गो टू ईट फ्रिटर्स नाउ. अब हम खेलने चलें, लेट्स गो टू प्ले. मुझे वहाँ जाने दो, लेट मी गो देयर. मुझे बैठने दो, लेट मी सिट. मुझे खेलने दो, लेट मी प्ले. मुझे शांत रहने दो, लेट मी लिव इन पीस. पढ़ो और पढ़ने दो, रीड एंड लेट रीड. सीखो और सीखने दो, लर्न एंड लेट लर्न. प्रयास करो और प्रयास करने दो, ट्राई एंड लेट ट्राई. समझो और समझने दो, अंडरस्टैंड एंड लेट अंडरस्टैंड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, if you hear me every day, if you follow these sentences, you can learn a lot of things from me, and there will be a time you must be able to speak without any hesitation, without any fear in front of anyone. So guys, I advise you perfectly that you will be perfect. When I was a student and when I was trying to speak English, my teacher always taught me, don't be afraid of speaking. Any language needs grammar for its perfection, but in the beginning, a beginner doesn't need grammar. A beginner should start the language without the help of grammar. When a beginner does like this, there will be perfection at last, and he will learn a lot of things. Okay, that's all.